here out at the Lost Coast Legends. Out at the car show. Quite the crowd variety going on.
Yeah.
Give her a walk around and what for you guys. Yep. Very nice. The EF crowd. Pretty bitchin'.
Maybe I'll try that next week. I've been having because like Gary Foster, he raced it, you know, because I know that guy. You know, it's just for me, it's like it's so like
Got some real race car shit going on around here. Let me see.
I didn't do that.
They're the EX, they're the bigger knuckles. Like the SI and the EX. They just fuck.
Yeah.
Got it, guys. Getting alright, bud? My baby boost. Oh. Type R over there. She's boosted as well. BAT&C. Make a part 2 of this, and I'll go walk around and actually do some looking of everything over. So, y'all see what's going on. Just chilling here at the sedan. In the crowd of EFs. Letting the pup rest for a minute because we've been walking around and he's tired. Alright guys, catch you on a part 2 of this today.